Feed your feminine strength, a delicious 7-day protein diet plan for women. Welcome to the Fast Track to Healthy channel, where health and fitness are our main priorities. Here's a sample 7-day high-protein diet plan for women, designed for approximately 2,000 calories per day. Remember to adjust portion sizes based on your individual needs and activity level. Consult a registered dietitian for personalized advice and modifications. Let's go. First up, day 1, breakfast, Greek yogurt with berries and almonds. For a light snack, have a hard-boiled egg, no more than 2. For lunch, grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and feta cheese. Light snack before dinner, cottage cheese with pineapple. Dinner, have baked salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli, a powerhouse of protein. Next up, day 2, breakfast, have scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast. For a light snack, try some almond butter on celery sticks. Almond butter contains omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and L-arginine, all beneficial for heart health. It also contains nutrients for strong bones and regulates blood sugar levels. Almond butter is rich in and may help prevent diabetes, obesity, and certain cancers. For lunch, have lentil soup with a side of whole grain bread. It is high in protein and essential for building and maintaining your muscles and skin. Protein also helps you feel full and satisfied, supporting weight loss and appetite control. For a light snack before dinner, have a Greek yogurt with honey. At dinner time, serve turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles and marinara sauce. The delicious recipe is in the video description. Next up, day 3, breakfast. Start with a smoothie, add protein powder, spinach, banana, and almond milk. This is an energy booster to kickstart your day right. For a light snack, have some cottage cheese with sliced peaches, a wonderful health delight. At lunchtime, have a tuna salad, canned tuna, mixed greens, olives, and avocado. For a light snack before dinner, have some edamame, which is rich in nutrients necessary for health, including protein, iron, magnesium, and potassium. It is best steamed. At dinner time, serve grilled shrimp with quinoa and roasted asparagus. Shrimp provides high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair and overall health. Asparagus is low in calories and packed with vitamins A, C, K, and folate. Next up, day 4, breakfast. Omelette with mushrooms, bell peppers, and feta cheese. For a light snack before lunchtime, have some string cheese. This will curb your appetite until lunch. For lunch, have a chickpea salad with red onion, bell pepper, and lemon tahini dressing. For a light snack before dinner, have Greek yogurt with walnuts. These are rich in proteins, healthy omega-3 fats, vitamins, lactobacteria, and many other nutrients. At dinner time, bake chicken breast with sweet potato and green beans. Next up, day 5, breakfast. Cottage cheese pancakes made with cottage cheese, oats, and eggs. A delicious way to spice up your breakfast in a healthy way without the guilt. For a light snack sandwich, a slice of turkey breast on toasted wheat bread. For lunch, have quinoa stuffed bell peppers, a healthy choice. Carrot sticks with hummus dip are a healthy snack that is high in protein and vitamin A. They are a great snacking option for weight loss. Dinner time, beef stir-fry with broccoli and brown rice. This healthy dish is low in carbs and high in protein, which will keep you fuller longer. Next up, day 5. Breakfast, chia seed pudding with almond butter. You can also add your favorite fruits. At snack time before lunch, try some cottage cheese with pear slices, high in fiber for the digestion system. For lunch, grilled tofu with quinoa and roasted Brussels sprouts. Snack time, have a Greek yogurt with granola. For dinner, baked white fish with cauliflower rice and sautéed spinach. White fish such as cod, tilapia, or haddock are low in fat and a good source of lean protein. Cauliflower rice is a low-carb alternative to regular rice. It's rich in fiber, vitamin C, and other antioxidants. It's a great choice for those watching their carbohydrate intake. Last day, 7, breakfast. Avocado toast with poached eggs. Both eggs and avocados are super nutrient-rich and contain many vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For snack time, have some cottage cheese with blueberries. At lunchtime, try a spinach and feta omelet. If you don't know how to make an omelet, there are a host of recipes online. Enjoy. For a light snack before dinner, grab a handful of almonds. Almonds are bursting with healthy nutrients and functional benefits. They're also one of the highest protein nuts you can eat. Dinner time. Have a baked turkey breast with roasted sweet potatoes and green salad. There you have it, a 7-day protein diet plan for women. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell for upcoming Fast Track to Healthy videos. Also, check out our channel's main page for fitness and health guides and website offers.